Devanshi, can I start GK?
Yes.
Who has written by Geetanjali book?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Who has written by Mahabharat?
Vyasa.
Who has written by Ramayana?
Valmiki.
Which is the holy book of Hindu?
Bhagavad Gita.
Which is the holy book of Christians?
Bible.
Which is the holy book of Muslims?
Quran.
Whose birthday is celebrated as a Teacher's Day?
Sarvepalli Radhakrishna.
Whose birthday is celebrated as a Children's Day?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
What day sun gives us?
Sun gives heat, light, and vitamin D.
Who is our Chief Minister?
Revanth Reddy Garu.
Who is our Prime Minister?
Narendra Modi Garu.
Yes, good girl.